Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a very amazing fact. Do you know which is the most expensive medicine in the world and what is the price? So let's start. So the first medicine in this list of most expensive medicines, the name of the medicine is Zolgensma, and the active ingredient of Zolgensma is onasemnozine abiparvovec, and the Zolgensma is basically a gene therapy medicines, and it comes in the form of injection. It was developed by the United States Pharmaceutical, and the name of pharmaceutical was Avexis, and now it is manufactured and marketed by the Novartis. And US FDA gave the approval in 2019 for the United States, and after that it got the approval in 2020 in Japan. And the important thing is the price. The price of Zolgensma is $2 million. Yes, it is $2 million for a single dose treatment. Now we will see the medical condition for which this most expensive medicine is used, and the condition is the SMA. SMA is spinal muscular atrophy, and spinal muscular atrophy is basically a genetic condition which causes the deterioration in the motor neurons. And the Zolgensma medicine, it is used in all four type of SMA, and it is a one dose treatment. That's it. And the price, as I told, it is $2 million. You see the second medicine in the most expensive list, and the name of medicine is Actimmune. The active ingredient of Actimmune is interferon gamma 16, and the price of Actimmune is $52,000, and it is manufactured and marketed by the Horizon Therapeutics. And now we will see the indication. The first indication where it is used is SMO. SMO is the severe malignant osteopetrosis, and the second condition is the CGD. CGD is chronic granulomatous disease, and chronic granulomatous disease is an inherited condition that prevents the body from fighting off the infection, and the dose is 3 times in a 1 week. So the patient would need 12 vials in a 1 month, and the price of 12 vials for a 1 month, that would be somewhere around $700,000. We'll see the third most expensive medicine, and the name of that is Acthargel, and it contains the repository corticotropin injection, and the price of Acthargel is a $40,000 for a 5 ml vial, and it is manufactured by the Mallinckrodt Pharmaceuticals. And the conditions where it is used in multiple conditions, including the rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, multiple sclerosis, infantile spasm or a seizure. And the 1 month cost of the treatment, treatment cost would be somewhere around $500,000. Here you can see a few more medicine in the most expensive list. And if you like this amazing information, please subscribe this channel for more videos on the medicines. Till then, bye bye.